Hi everyone, welcome to Yumika's Diaries. On this channel, I share content that relates to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And in this video, I'll be showing you how I made this drawstring tote bag. So I have my fabric cut out and the length of this is 45 centimeter and the width is 40 centimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this into two with the wrong side facing upward. I've also gone ahead to trim off my edges with my fabric shears. If you want to use an overlocker, it's okay. You just want to do that before you fold the fabric into two. Then I also cut out my strap with a length of 26 inches and a width of 4 inches. I'm going to go ahead and iron this into 4. Just watch me. I'm going to sew this strap as close to the edge as possible. I'm then going to come to the top of my bag, the unfolded part, and mark out 0.5 inches. That's half of an inch. And I'm going to go ahead and mark 1 inch from that 0.5. so that I can create a gap of 1 inch through which I'm going to pass my drawstring. So this is what I'm showing you. From that 0.5 mark, I also marked 1 inch. So I'm going to leave out this 1 inch gap and not sew it. So this is what I have. Please make sure to do a reverse stitch before and after the 1 inch gap. So I'm going to do the same to the other side, of course sewing down by 0.5 inch sewing allowance. After giving my fabric a good press and turning to the right side, pushing out the edges, I'm going to come to the middle of my fabric and then mark out 4 inches. So my 2 inches is placed on the middle of my fabric, and then I just marked 2 inches to the right and 2 inches to the left, making 4 inches for my strap. You can make this small, you can make it 5 inches or more if you want it wider. So I'm going to place my strap just next to that mark, to the 2 marks. So I'm going to clip this down on both sides and take to the sewing machine. And I'm going to sew this by half of an inch, and this is what I have. I have secured both straps on both sides. Please make sure that your strap is not tangled towards the top part. And then I'm going to come to the side of my bag and I'm going to open the seam on the inside, and I'm going to fold at the beginning of the 1 inch gap. I'm going to fold my fabric inside, and then I'm going to also fold at the end of that 1 inch gap. So in total, I have a fold of 1.5 inches, and I'm going to do this from one end to the other end of the bag. So thereafter, I give this a good press, and here is the outcome. So I'm going to go ahead and bring out my strap so that I can sew down this part. I'm going to secure the fold with pins and then take to my sewing machine. The next thing for me to do is to sew as close to the edge as possible all around, and I'll be back. So I've done that, and then I'm going to also go ahead and sew at the top edge, but I'm going to go ahead and straighten out my fabric and then secure it at those places. So I'm going to go ahead and I will stitch closely to the edge as well. So here is the outcome for now before I go ahead to insert the drawstring. So I'm going to come back to that 1 inch gap I created for this drawstring, and I'm going to stitch at the beginning, do a reverse stitch, and at the bottom, so as to secure the stitches. So just watch me do that. And then I'm going to do this for the bottom of the 1 inch gap and for the other side of the bag as well. And thereafter, I'm going to go ahead and loosen this other side of the 1 inch gap. Thereafter, I'm going to insert my drawstring. So my drawstring is 5 mm, and it will fit well into this 1 inch gap. So I'm going to use my pin, my safety pin, to insert the drawstring. I'm going to flatten out my bag to be sure that the drawstring is well flattened out inside before I proceed to cut the other end of the drawstring. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert my drawstring again to the other edge, to the other side of the fabric of the bag. If you found this video useful thus far, please smash the like button. It will encourage me to do more, and it will also be good for my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. Please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to this channel. More amazing content are coming your way on this channel. Please stay tuned. Thank you and see you in my next one. Bye.